Let me tell you a secret. When a narcissist take you to court, there are so many reasons why they would take you to court. But one of the reasons is to see you miserable. It's their ultimate goal. Okay. The other reasons, it's because of their revenge plan, punishment, vendetta act, or something like that, just to see you miserable, see you suffer, frustrate you as much as they can, make you go through hell and back. So these are the many reasons. But number one is they want to render you powerless because they know it's like when the devil wants to attack you, takes what you like. That phrase applies to a narcissist. They take the things that you cannot cherish the more, the things that you hold really, really dearly. They do that. So let me let you in on a little secret. So if there's any woman out there that are going through court case or maybe divorce case or child custody battle, what you should understand about situations like this. Now, in my opinion, their ultimate goal, what they care about, is the welfare of the child. Now, if the child is in danger, that is a good, important point that they have to look into. But if it's not, they could rule that off. What they care about and what's the ultimate thing they care about is the welfare of the child. Now, 99%, 50% of the time, they want you guys to work things out, to come up on an agreement or with an agreed pattern. So they always put that, work together, come to a conclusion. Because again, what the justice system understands with situations like this is the child is between you and the other party. Number one. Number two, they're not going to fix schedule for you. You have to put the schedule that works for you and put the schedule that works for the other party. So the arrangement has to be what's convenient for both of you, right? So they can't get involved with that because they don't know your daily life. They don't know how your daily life is. So they can't get into that. It's up to you. And again, most times the narcissist makes it difficult for you. Start saying things that are not true. They will label you a bad mother. They will write so much statements accusing you allegedly, right? About lots of things that didn't happen. But in their mind, if they could label as bad as you are on the statement or to the court, if they could label anything as bad as the debt or the secret that you've told them in confidential or in confidence, if they could bring out and dig out so much debt in you, even, out your physical disability or your medical disability or your medical condition, they might put all that in the court just to get the court to see that you're not fit enough to be able to take care of the kids. They'll go financially, they will attack you over there. Physically, they will attack you. They will go. So they will bring all of those things out to the court. So the court can think that you're not capable enough to be able to take care of your kids. So they will go as far to do all of those things in order to create a doubt in the mind of the court or whoever is dealing the situation. And what you should understand is they're not your friends. They are not your friends. If you're going to a divorce battle or custody battle and you think they're still the person that you used to know, you must be joking because they're not your friend anymore. If someone could take you to that length to take you to a court for a situation or that you can sort out together amicably, they're not your friend. They are not your friend. So do not for once treat them during the proceeding of the court case, treat them as your friend. It's best to stay far away from them during the proceeding than stay closer to them. Because if you stay closer to them, they will get more information from you that they will use against you. But when you stay far away from them, they are guessing. They don't know what you're doing behind closed, because what you don't know, you can't fight. That's it. They don't know what is going on what you're doing, what you're after, what your plan is, what your target is. They don't have any information that they can use against you in any way because you're distance away from them, because you're not their friend. Do not try to initiate any arrangement. You have your own arrangement. Don't get me wrong. You have your own arrangement. Let them bring their own arrangement first. You look at it and see if you're okay with that. Then you can now start making the necessary changes that is needed to try to propose. They will always turn it down because they will think that your proposer is not good enough for them. So they will turn it down. So do not go through that stress or trouble trying to create an arrangement or proposal for them. Let them do the proposal themselves. Bring the proposal to you. You have to make the changes that suit your schedule. That is how to win them. Don't go and be doing right heaven and earth just because you want to give it to them. They will turn it down. It doesn't matter the time and energy you put into it, they will turn it down. So it has to come from them. Make sure it comes from them. And another thing, do not react to everything they say, whether in the statement, whether during the court proceeding. Do not react. Don't react through Facebook. Don't react through posts or status. Don't react to social media. Don't react. Don't even think of putting something on your status and just like you're not referring to them, but you just write. Don't do that. Don't even let your neighbor know what you are going through. My dear brothers and sisters, I'm very serious, ladies and gentlemen. Any related person to them, know what you're going through. Fight your battle silently, right? If you need advice, seek advice from a supported people. Seek advice from your solicitor. If you can't afford a solicitor, there are Mackenzie friends. There are people that can assist you. You know, you can pay for consultation just to get an advice on the situation from the legal team. That's the only way. Don't go about saying stuff because at the end of the day, you're giving out too much information and that is what they're going to use against you. And another one is love your kids regardless of what is going on. Treat them the same way you would have treated them regardless of what is going on. They would try to smear campaign you to your kids, but still treat your kids the same way. They will love you for who you are and what has happened. You can explain it if they are of age, but if not, leave it that way if they're not of age. They will know when the time comes.